Hi, I'm Ian, a customer engineer with StrongDM. I'm here today to show you how to add Azure CLI access through the SDM client. It should be noted, this is not how you would set up Azure cloud-specific resources like AKS. Instead, this walkthrough will speak specifically to performing Azure CLI commands like Azure CLI resources list. Before getting started, you should make sure to obtain the tenant ID, app ID, and either the certificate or the password for the role that you would like to connect as. We have additional information about generating these in our StrongDM documentation. Additionally, you'll need to install the Azure command line tool on your machine and make sure that that installation directory has been added to your path. Once you're prepared to continue, we'll head on over to the StrongDM admin UI, click on Infrastructure, Clouds, and Add Cloud. Here, we will name our resource. We'll just name this one Azure Demo. Under Cloud Type, you'll see that there are two options for Azure, certificate or password. For this instance, we're doing certificate. The secret store, if you have an external secret store like HashiCorp Vault, you can select that here, but for this, we'll be using StrongDM as the secret store. Then we'll enter in the app ID. And the tenant ID. And we will either drag and drop or copy and paste the certificate. From here, we'll hit create and click in here, click health check, and we'll see that this is now online and accessible from our game. Now we can head on over to our roles because we'll need to configure an access rule for this resource. So we'll go to our demo role that we're using here, access rules, and we'll create a static access rule for Azure Demo. Save and apply. And if we head over to our command line, you should now see that we have the ability to connect to Azure Demo as a possible resource. So we'll go ahead and connect. That's successful, as illustrated there. And now we can run Azure command line commands like listing resources. And here we can see some demo resources that we have available, and that's how you set up Azure with StrongDM. Thanks. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Also, be sure to visit us at strongdm.com. Thank you.